What if I told you that even after your visa interview, your immigrant visa might not be issued? Starting January 21st, 2026, the U.S. Department of State has introduced a major procedural change affecting applicants from 75 countries. And this could directly impact your immigration timeline. Intro 012 to 025. Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex U.S. immigration updates in simple terms. In today's video, I'll explain what has not changed, what has changed, who is affected, and what you should do right now. What has not changed, 025 to 105. Let's start with something important. Don't panic. This is not a visa ban. Immigration laws have not changed. The USCIS is still approving petitions. Your Form I-140 or Form I-130 is still valid. You can still file your DS-260. You can still attend your visa interview. The immigration system is still running. What has changed? 105 to 145. Here's the key change. After your visa interview, your case may not be approved immediately. Instead, it could go into an indefinite administrative pause. This is not a denial. It's called administrative processing, but now with much higher scrutiny. And right now, we don't know how long this pause will last. Why is this happening? 145 to 220. The main focus is something called public charge rule. This means the U.S. government wants to ensure that immigrants will not depend on government financial assistance now. This rule already existed. But the level of checking has become much stricter for certain nationalities. Who is in a strong position? 220 to 250. Here's some good news. If you are a high-skilled professional, you may actually be in a strong position. Especially categories like EB-1, EB-2, because these applicants usually have strong education, high-income job offers, specialized skills, which helps prove financial independence. Nationality rule 250 to 320. This is very important. This policy is based on nationality, not the embassy location. So even if you apply in another country, your passport determines whether you're affected. But if you have dual nationality, you might have options. Who is not affected? 320 to 350. Let's clear this up. The following are not affected. Non-immigrant visas like H-1B visa, student visas, tourist visas, adjustment of status cases inside the U.S. visas already issued before January 21st, 2026. So if you're inside the U.S., you're mostly safe from this change. What you should do? 350 to 430. If you're outside the U.S., prepare all documents properly. Expect delays after interview. Don't assume rejection. Stay patient but proactive. If you're inside the U.S., continue your application. Consider adjustment of status if eligible. Monitor the visa bulletin. Outro, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. The key takeaway? This is about delay, not denial. It's about preparation, not panic. Every case is different, and how you present your profile matters more than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated. And tell me in the comments, are you applying from inside or outside the US? I'll see you in the next video.